Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin now. Open the Kotak 811 app and log in with your MPIN. Once logged in, select the specific 811 account you want a debit card for. Make sure your Aadhaar and PAN are accessible for any instant verification. Tap the Accounts area, then choose Debit Card or Request Card to start the issuance flow. You act immediately, confirm the mailing address displayed because the card will ship to that address. If it's incorrect, update it before proceeding. Once done choosing the account, you choose the card type, physical or instant virtual. Decide any design or added features and confirm delivery speed, standard or expedited, and accept any fee if shown. Next, verify the name, address, and contact details because shipping depends on these fields. You will authenticate using OTP or Aadhaar eKYC. Complete that verification without delay. After verification, you'll receive confirmation on screen and an estimated. You finish by tracking the card status in the app. Virtual card numbers work for online purchases right away, so use them if you need immediate access. Once the physical card arrives, set or change the ATM PIN using the app or at any Kotak ATM and enable net banking or international usage if required. If something goes wrong, such as OTP not arriving or KYC failing, retry with the registered mobile number. Reattempt verification and contact Kotak support only if retries don't resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.